In this video, I'll be showing you how you can download Marvel Rivals into your device or in your PC. First is to make sure that you have already downloaded Steam Store, since we will be downloading here the Marvel's Rivals. First is to click this search icon that you can see here. Once you click this, you just need to type in Marvel Rivals. And then click the first result, or this one that has a yellow icon in it. Now this is the Marvel Rivals. Now, as you can see, there is this free-to-play game. Click this. And then select the drive that you want the game to be installed in. Then after selecting it, just click the install button and click the accept button and head to your library. Now, as you can see, the Marvel Rivals is now downloading. So just wait for it to be finished and this will automatically install into your device. And that's it. That's how you can download Marvel Rivals into your PC, and thank you for listening.